goes down tonight, baby. Yeah. Fuck, just people just emerging out of the... It's called a whiteout. We're in the crucialest whiteout ever. What the fuck? Put your goggles back on before you get blinded, dog. Straight up.
Can I get your other goggles tonight if it's still windy?
Yeah, the clear ones?
Yeah, because dude, I can't have these.
Dude, please take the clear ones. I've been trying to get someone to have those. This is insanity, though. What? Like, what? What? What is this?
So much crazier.
Oh my god, dude.
I feel like I'm not even really drifting, but just a little bit of drifting in the playa.
Towards the sun? Nah, Jacob! Jacob! Straight ahead, buddy. Not towards the sun. It's too intense. I don't know. Mister, I can't pee in public. Oh.